Just want to run through, I guess, an important stage of flushing our windows before they actually get installed into their openings. This is a very integral part of the installation process. What I have here is our Contega Exo tape. This generally comes in two sizes, double-sided tape, and the objective is to be wrapped around the window accordingly. And the purpose of this is to, one, flush the window, make it watertight, airtight. It is a vapor permeable tape as well, so it can breathe from the internal out. And it will allow us then, once this window sash is taped, to actually then seal it to our water-resistant barrier, which is our Solitex Extasiner, and create that watertight, airtight seal around that opening. So just run through where we're still in the process of setting up our window installation here, just preparing this opening ready for our window sash to go in. It's still work in progress, but as you can see, we've created what we call a back dam. It's just a raised piece of plywood. We look at then taping. We then have another flushing that sits over here that covers this up. Our war up gets taped, cut back, and then we look at then preparing the installation of our sash into this opening. And the objective is to ensure that we stop any water from going in underneath our window reveal, and we can create a watertight and airtight seal around our window opening. Okay, so at the moment, we're using our Contega flushing tape, which goes around our window. And this is an important integral part of flushing your window, but also it works in with the overall system. So you've got to use this tape when flushing your windows with your Extasiner. And the objective here is to ensure that, one, we're creating an airtight but a watertight seal, because this is a weak point of a building envelope, and that's your windows. So as we start to stretch this out, we're also using our press fix to ensure we're getting a nice tight seal. And we just follow that process and we go around the entire window. We've got our window in, we know our seal's been flushed correctly. We've got a nice watertight, airtight seal now. It's been flushed around our window. Our next step is to look at now battening out our external wall envelope, because what we want to achieve now is a fully ventilated cavity, and in preparation of our cladding. So for this project, we're getting foam rendered cladding to the outside, but we still will achieve a double battening system as well. The reason for battening out is to ensure that we can create a cavity behind the cladding system, and that will allow for any condensation that does occur behind our cladding system, or any condensation that may come down our performance membrane. It allows for a stack flow effect, just the flow of air going through that cavity, just to keep things dry and well ventilated. So, one, it keeps our wall structure dry. Two, it keeps the strength and integrity with our frames and prevents any rots. It's an exciting day on site today. We've had all our glazing arrive. It's all getting installed into their sashes. Window system we've used on this project is a uPVC thermally broken window frame. What that is, these are a plastic window frame, and they're designed to stop the transfer of heat through the frame that affects the inside temperature of your home. So our window makeup here is made up of 2 sheets of glass, so it's a double-glazed window. Within the 2 double-glazed pieces, we have argon, so it's a gas that slows down the heat gain throughout the glass, making it a high performance window. And again, being a high performance home, we want to ensure that the inside is comfortable all year round. The benefits of using high performance windows is controlling your temperature, and in return, keeping your running costs down to a minimum. Adjust the hop up. I think yeah. So what are some of the common mistakes with window installations?
Basically, these stickers, I just put the stickers on the outside because it's where the sun contracts it, so it's got like a film inside on this piece.
Yes.
To keep obviously the energy in.
That's your low E film on the outside.
Yeah, it's a low E film on the outside.
And that stops or prevents or slows down the solar radiation.
Yeah.
To ensure that this is airtight and air sealed, we've obviously got the compression rubber on the outside. So when the glass gets installed, pushes against that, seals it, and then when you come through, Install the casing bead.
Install the casing bead, which is tight. It has this little nib on here, which goes into the groove.
Yes.
Which then pushes it tight to the window. This rubber gasket obviously prevents any air flowing coming
And that
out on the other
compresses all
side.
that together to make an airtight seal.
Yeah.
To ensure that it is low E, we've got the device. The
Put the
device
device
can go
on
on
here,
glass.
press the red button, should go green.
That's our low E.
Yeah, and we know that low E coating is on the inside.
Yes.
And the clear piece of glass is on the outside.